When you are in Meghalaya and have not traveled to any of the waterfalls here, then your visit to this beautiful state would have been incomplete. Here in this video, we have picked up some of the waterfalls we have traveled to. These waterfalls are all located in the eastern part of Meghalaya. When we were traveling to Shiliang Jashar, an offbeat destination via Rungain village, we spotted a small waterfall. This waterfall is located somewhere before you reach Rungain village. As we proceeded further to film our episode of Meghalaya Offbeat Travel, we spotted another unknown waterfall on our way to Panursla Nongshken Road. As we approached the viewpoint of the waterfall, we were amazed to hear the sound of the fall of the water. Looking at this waterfall reminded me of the famous Nok Kalikai Falls. The waterfall that we visited at Mokdok is a waterfall that is underrated and also unknown to many travelers. One has to walk down the Duwan Singh's Aim viewpoint at Mokdok to reach this waterfall known as Sumpuri Waterfalls. On the way to Sora at Maumi Thet, there is a diversion towards Maukma village. This route will take you to several waterfalls, and the one we visited was a beautiful waterfall known as Linksiar Falls. This is one of the most popular falls among local tourists. Maukma village is located at a distance of about 45 kilometers away from Shillong. Sora, which is known for having several tourist destinations, is also popular for several waterfalls, and one of the famous waterfall of Meghalaya is the Daintlen Falls. To reach Daintlen Falls, one has to travel a distance of about 55 kilometers from Shillong. At a distance of 55 kilometers from Shillong and 7 kilometers away from Sora, the most popular and most visited waterfall of Meghalaya is the Nok Kalikai Falls. Nok Kalikai Falls has the distinction of being the tallest plunge waterfall in India. The view of the waterfall is magnificent and majestic. There are a few more waterfalls en route to Sora. One of the waterfall is the Wakaba Falls, situated at Lightrungo village on the Sora road. Also on the Sora Lightkanso road is another popular waterfall known as the Nok Snithiang Falls. However, as we visited these waterfalls in the winter season, there was nothing much to be seen. The best period to visit all these waterfalls is between the months of May to October. So we have come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching.